Hello and welcome to Higher Computing for Everyone. My name is Carl, and I will be your guide through this course where we are going to teach you how to write computer software. When we actually start writing programs, we are going to be using this program to do so. This program is called Code Blocks, and we will be getting into a great deal of detail about how to use it later on in the course. Now, I imagine that you are quite eager to begin writing your first program, but don't get into too much of a hurry. There is a lot of material that we need to cover first, and we will, so just be patient. But before we do that, I want to take about 2 minutes to talk to you about this course, what you can expect, and how you should proceed in order to ensure that you get the most benefit out of what is being offered. First of all, I want to tell you that this entire course, all the materials, videos, access to discussion forums, and every feature that is offered completely free of charge. Now, before we get started, I want to give you some recommendations. First of all, if you are watching this video at YouTube and not on highercomputingforeveryone.com, then go ahead and stop this video, load highercomputingforeveryone.com into your web browser, proceed to lesson 1, and then continue watching this video. The reason for that is because there are a number of great features that you just simply can't access from YouTube, including text transcripts of over 120 lessons, including many lessons that are not published on YouTube. An active community of over 11,000 people that can help you learn, and many interactive features including quizzes to help you to master the material. Okay, so let's begin. First of all, although this course is going to focus on the C programming language to start with, the material you will learn is applicable across a wide variety of programming languages, not only C. Therefore, I encourage you to finish at least course number 1, regardless of which language you are going to choose as your primary language. As you go through each unit, I encourage you not to skip over any lessons. Every lesson is designed to build upon a foundation of understanding which will lead you into future lessons. By skipping material, it is easy for you to miss critical concepts that could play a major role later in the course. When I present sample programs to you, I encourage you to write those programs out yourself. Don't just copy and paste them. By writing sample programs, you can have a much better understanding of the syntax and you can better retain what you learn. Keep in mind that there is a significant difference between knowing a programming language the way a programming book might teach you and knowing how to actually make useful software. Most programming tutorials focus on how to do the most basic programming instructions. All of the focus is on how a specific programming language does these things. Very rarely do any of these tutorials explain beyond this. As a result, there are a lot of people out there who have, quote, learned programming, which effectively means that they can write any program so long as it consists of little more than displaying some simple output on the screen. There are plenty of people out there who understand how to write a program and can probably effectively read someone else's source code, but they could never go out and actually build something useful. So what is it that enables you to write useful programs? Libraries. Libraries are the tools you need as a programmer to actually make things. In short, libraries provide you with functions that you can call rather easily in order to actually put your programming knowledge to work. No programmer designing a game, for example, is going to sit down and try to figure out how to draw a simple shape like a circle. All of this work has already been done for you. Libraries are collections of useful functions that have been written by other programmers that you can use in order to do highly complex tasks very easily just by including those libraries into your programs and learning how to use them. There are libraries to do just about anything, from playing music files to manipulating three-dimensional objects, recording video, you name it. This is how advanced applications are built. The libraries themselves are put together and packaged for programmers to use, and then the programming language simply serves as an interface between the programmer and the libraries. We will be spending a great deal of time working with libraries throughout this course, and in the process you will gain the knowledge you need in order to build your own programs and games. So this concludes lesson 1, and I hope to see you on the next lesson.